Hiya! Welcome to Ginger's Powder. Today I'm making this easy vanilla panna cotta with a tangy blueberry sauce. If you're looking for an easy dessert to complete your meal and impress your guests, keep watching. We're gonna start off by making our blueberry sauce. So you're gonna add your blueberries to your pan as well as the lime juice. We don't want to waste any of the juices from the blueberries, so I'm going to add some water to the bowl that had in the blueberries, and I'm going to pour it into my pan, and I'm going to start to break up any pieces or clumps of frozen blueberries. I was unable to break up the clumps, so I just let everything come up to a boil, and they ended up melting by themselves. When the blueberries are all melted and making the beautiful sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sugar and mix it real good. When your sugar is well melted, you want to go ahead and lower down your heat to medium, and you want to mash your blueberries so all the beautiful juices and the color can just render into our beautiful sauce. The last thing we're going to add to our blueberry sauce is some agar powder. What agar is just a plant-based gelatin. Let your blueberry sauce reduce for about 5 minutes on low heat, and then we're going to let it cool off. Moving on to our vanilla panna cotta. Add some heavy whipping cream to your saucepan, which you can also substitute with half and half if you're looking for something that has less calories in it. Add your sugar. Remember, this recipe is not too sweet, but you can add more or less sugar according to your own taste, as well as your vanilla extract, but you can also use a vanilla bean if you would like. I didn't wait for my cream to come up to a boil, and I added my agar one time, and as you can see, what happened is it started to clump up because my cream was cold. So what I want you to do is to wait until your cream comes up to a boil, and then and only then you will add your agar, okay? So here I am still trying to break up the clumps of the agar powder, which did not work out. Please wait until your cream has come up to a boil in order to add your agar powder. Just like this. I decided to get my immersion blender in order to blend out all the clumps that had formed, but you will be able to skip that step if you follow my instructions. I poured my mixture into a measuring cup in order for it to cool, but also for it to be easy to pour into my glasses. I decided to blend the blueberry sauce as well because I want it to be smooth, but you can omit that step or just do it just like I did. Don't forget to clean off your immersion blender so you don't lose one drop of that blueberry goodness. Get your serving glasses and pour your creamy mixture into them. I had 6 glasses and had to find a seventh because this recipe made 7 panna cottas. I put them to set in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. 2 hours have gone by and they are now set, and I can add my purple goodness. For this panna cotta, I choose blueberry, but you can also use strawberry, raspberry, peaches, mango, whatever tickles your fancy. Make it your own. As always, you can check the comments below for the recipe with the exact measurements. If you do enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a like, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be informed every time I post a new videos on Sundays. When they are all topped off, do add them to the refrigerator overnight and enjoy the next day. I just love the contrast between the purple and the white. There you have it, guys. They're ready. Thank you for watching. See you next time.